Yo guys, welcome back to my flipping account challenge. This was the previous balance, the last video. This was the balance that was left on the account. So this week I am starting and I'm going to flip the account to any reasonable amount. So guys, let's see. I took this trade on GBP USD. I had a break of structure. There was a break of structure to the upside. The trade was just a quick sell to buy. So that was the retracement I was trying to capture downwards, then I'll buy upward. So I took the sells. As you can see, I've entered into so many positions, and like I said, risk management is key. So as you see, the point I placed the SL is my point of my point where I want to put my SL. That is the last that place that I pointed it at, but I just decided to place it at this high, maybe in case price will not get back there, and I only place it on one position. But my expected SL or my actual SL is at the top there. So I left the trade. As you can see, the trades are running and in small profit, but within some few minutes, then the trades started shooting upward. The price started going upward. So you can see the price started moving upward. It took off my first SL, but like I said in the first video, that was not my actual SL. My actual SL is at the top there. There are a lot of liquidity pool at that place, which I know price could probably come back there. So I then, after they took off of this SL, I then have to place another SL at the top there. In case price get to that level, then I know that it is an invalid trade. I just have to close out. So I place the SL there, waiting to see if price will get there. If price get to that level, I just close out, and I know that it was a losing trade. Guess what, guys? Within some few, as you can see, this is the trades. They are running in losses right now, but within some few minutes, then you can see the trade reversed and I am in profit. It didn't get to my SL. I always tell you that if you know what you are doing, there is no way to be afraid of. If you know your strategy and you believe in your strategy, you have backtested it and you believe in it, there is no way to be afraid of it when you are executing a trade. And you know your risk management, you know what you are losing, you will never be afraid to execute a trade. So I know what I am risking. I have my confluences which were met. So I am executing the trade and I'm not afraid. I have my resume. When I get to that place, I close out and I know how much I will lose. So guys, as you can see, I'm running in profit, and it was taking off this swing low. So I when it take out the low, I decided to close out some little profit. And as you can see, I'm trying to break even and close out some of the profit. In case the trade reverse against me, I've already made out some profit. Maybe those profit can cover up the loss maybe I will make. So as you can see, I close out a lot of the positions. I closed majority of the positions in case the trade will, and I told you this was just a quick retracement for buy. And I have a Telegram group that I normally send everything into the Telegram group. So I updated the guys that in the Telegram group that we should be trying to exit from this trade because we are about retracing. I will show you that on the screen here. So we took off this low, then I decided to close out some profits, then I break even. Now I've marked out my point of TP, then my SL level, I've break even for all the trades. As you see, this is my SL. I've broken even, and if price retraces to that level, I'm gonna close out. So this is how the trade is going. So I am in profit. As you can see, we are up, and I want to show you how I send it to my Telegram group members. I said they should close positions. This is going to what? To retrace. So we close some of the position, and I decided to close out all the positions. And as you can see, I closed out. I am up about 465. That was the this is. So we waited. I told the Telegram group members that we are waiting for what? A quick
or for the buys, we need to wait for the change of character that we buy. And as you can see, this was the loss I made, $1.14. That was the loss, but the rest I closed out in profit. So we are up 465. Now we waited and we had the opportunity for the buys, and that is where we are hooking on. So I started packing the trades. As you can see, this is just flipping, and I am just entering. My strategy, my confluences, everything has been met. So I am going in full force, no waiting, and everything I update the Telegram group members. If you join my Telegram group, all these things you are going to be seeing it. And I don't do with my risk management. No, I am putting my SL in place. Now, as you can see, the buy has just shot up. This is just the trade. It shot up within some few minutes, and we are in a huge profit. This is a flipping account, and do not make mistakes. When I am up a little bit, I close out some little profit, so that in case it reverses, I will not be in a loss. I always like to protect my capital, so I have to close and leave only 5 positions. So I closed majority of the positions and left only 5 of the positions, and as you can see, I left them running, and they are in profit right now. I am up the equity 491. I am in profit right now. So this is how I normally flip my account. Anytime my confluences are met, I go in full. And if I go in full, I don't normally, or I don't actually wait for my TP. When it gets to a level that I am okay, I close out. And my risk management, I normally put it in place. See, always I am putting SL. And left with only 5 trades, I have to put SL for all of them. In case it reverses, my break even will be hit, and I am out of the trade. After all, I've already made some profit. And I'm indicating my TP level 2. And this trade was getting late. It was getting to the evening time, so I couldn't wait for this trade to get to my TP. Though that was the actual place I want the trade to go. So I just decided that maybe I have to close out this trade because it was getting to the evening time. So I closed out the trade. Then we had another opportunity on the next day on USD JPY. It was in the morning, early morning, even before London section would open. Then we had this opportunity. So I sent the trade to the Telegram group that we should be expecting a sell, because there was a downward trend line. That was the price was respecting. So that was the third touch. I was expecting a sell from there, but because it was in the morning, I decided to only place 5 positions, only 5 positions, and I updated the Telegram group. But we ended up losing that trade. It broke our structure, it broke the trend line, then we lost the trade, and we are down to $464. So that is the current balance right now. So guys, if you like this video and you enjoy it and you want to see more of this, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. If you don't understand anything or you want to know much about this, please kindly leave a comment in the comment section and I will respond to it. And please kindly join my Telegram group, because that is where I send most of my setups and most of my trade. See you in my next video.